Assalamu alaikum students, hope you all are fine and doing well to complete your assigned task of previous lectures. Today in this lecture I will start the same topic, lowest common multiple or LCM of numbers by prime factorization method. As in previous lecture we have learned about the lowest common multiple or LCM of numbers by common multiple method. So today we will find the LCM of numbers by prime factorization method. So open your booklet, page number 57 to understand the topic. Let's start. We can find the lowest common multiple LCM by prime factorization. An easy method is to break up large numbers into their prime factors and find the LCM by prime factorization method. So, to find the LCM of large numbers, easy method is to break up the large numbers into their prime factors and then find the LCM by prime factorization method. Now, prime factors. You have already learned about the prime factors in previous lectures. Factors mean the numbers which divides the given number exactly without leaving any remainder, and prime factors mean those factors which are the prime numbers. So firstly you will find the prime factors of the given number, then you will find the LCM by prime factorization method. Now I will explain you LCM by prime factorization method with the help of an example. As one example is already done for you, I will solve the same example for you to give you the clear concept that how to find the LCM by prime factorization method. Now here are some steps that how to find the LCM by prime factorization method. Number 1, first find the prime factors of the given numbers, then find the common prime factors of the given numbers, and in the last multiply the common prime factor only once by all other prime factors. Got it? Two numbers will be given to you, then firstly you will find the prime factor of the first number, prime factor of the second number. Then you will find the common prime factor. Common prime factor, those factors which are common in both. And when you will complete the prime factors and common prime factors, then to find the LCM you will multiply the common prime factor only one times, and by this common prime factor will be multiplied by all other prime factors. Take only one of the common prime factor and multiply by all other factors. Main point for this third step that when you will find the LCM you will take the common prime factor only for one time and multiply by all other factors. Now I will explain you this example. Listen very carefully and follow the given instructions very carefully. So let's start the example. Now example is find the LCM of 48 and 45. So firstly we will find the prime factors. According to first step, find the prime factors of the given number. First number is 48. Now as I told you in the previous lectures that when you will use the prime factorization method, you will use the prime numbers. So firstly you will check whether this 48 is divisible by the prime number or not, and you have to check by the smallest prime number, that is 2. And according to the divisibility rule of 2, last ones place digit should be an even number. So 8 is an even number, it means 48 is divisible by 2. So firstly we will divide 4. 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. Clear? 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. If this number is not divisible by the smallest prime number 2, then you will check it by the next prime number 3, then 5, then 7, like this. Next is 24. Now again check whether this 24 is divisible by the smallest prime number 2. Yes, 4 is divisible because 4 is an even number, so we will divide it by 2. 24 is also divisible by 3, but as I told you, according to the rule, best is to divide this number by the smallest prime number. If not divisible by this 2, then move to the next number. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. Now again 12 is divisible by 2. Yes, 2 6 are 12. 12 is also divisible by 3, but as I told you, choose the smallest prime number wherever it's possible. Again 6 is also divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6 and 3 is divisible by itself. 3 is not divisible by 2, so 3 ones are 3. Clear? Now we will find the prime factors of 45. Last digit is 5. Check it by the prime number 2. It's not divisible by 2 because 5 is not even number. Let's check it by 3. Yes, it's divisible by 3. Why? Because 4 plus 5, sum of the digits is equal to 9 and 9 is divisible by 3. It means 45 is also divisible by 3. Now 4 is not divisible by 3, so we will choose a smaller number. 3 ones are 3, 1 left. 15, 3 5s are 15. Now 15 is divisible by 3. 15 is not divisible by 2. 5 plus 1 6 is divisible by 3. It means 15 is divisible by 5, or you can directly check 3 5s are 15. Now 5 is not divisible by 2. 5 is not divisible by 3. 5 is divisible by itself. 5 ones are 5. Now these all are the prime factors of 48 and these all are the prime factors of 45. According to the steps, we will write the prime factors of all these numbers. Prime factors of 48 are 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 2 and multiply by 3. Prime factors of 45, 3, multiply by 3, multiply by 5. Now next second step is find the common prime factor, and as I told you, common prime factor mean the factor which is common in all. Now only this 3 is common in both numbers. In both factors of 48 and 45, only 3 is the common factor. So common prime factor is only 3. Clear? Third step is find the LCM. How we will find the LCM? We will find the product of all prime factors. So let's start. Prime factor 2, prime factor 2, prime factor 2, prime factor 2. Firstly, we will choose all the prime factors, not the common. Prime factor 3, prime factor 5. We will multiply all these prime factors by the common prime factor 3 only once, because we will use the common prime factor only for one time. Now we will find the product of all these three numbers. The product of all these three numbers is equal to 720. You can find the product by yourself, okay, in the rougher column. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48, 48 5s are 240 and 243s are 720. So 720 is the LCM of 48 and 45 by prime factorization method. So it's very easy. Firstly, you will find the prime factors of the given numbers. Then you will find the common prime factor, and to find the LCM you will multiply all the prime factors by the common prime factor only once. So the product is equal to 720. That is your answer. I hope you have learned the concept of LCM by prime factorization method. Now, and you can also find the LCM of three numbers to find by the prime factorization method by the same procedure. Now open your booklet, page number 58 and 59. In page number 58 and 59, exercises are given. You have to solve these all examples with the help of this lecture. For any problem, watch the video again and again, clear your concept. If still you have any problem, you can ask me. Thank you.